Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best bathtub glass door is probably one of the most transformative upgrades you can make to your bathroom, offering a sleek, modern aesthetic that instantly elevates the space while providing a practical barrier against water. Imagine stepping into a shower enclosure that not only looks stunning but also prevents water from splashing onto your floors, keeping your bathroom clean and dry with minimal effort. This isn't just about functionality, it's about creating a spa-like sanctuary where you can relax and rejuvenate, all while adding significant value and style to your home. Number 5. Basco Deluxe H05A5958 CLR Deluxe Sliding Tub Door. Introducing the Basco Deluxe Sliding Tub Door. Its 0.188-inch thick clear glass offers a polished look to showcase your shower space. This unit is 58.5 inches tall and can accommodate out-of-plumb walls and uneven levels. The glass panels are designed for flexibility in your bathroom. Enjoy the flexibility of installing it for either left or right entry. The walk-through area can vary to suit your needs. The curb is 1.56 inches wide and expertly designed to repel water, keeping your shower area dry. It's built to last and perform. This door is designed to fit any bathtub material, making it a versatile choice for your bathroom renovation. Please note, shower bases and walls are not included. It is specifically designed to fit a standard 60-inch tub. Experience the perfect blend of style and functionality in your bathroom. What we like. This door offers a premium look with its thick, clear glass, perfect for showcasing your shower's design. It's also designed for flexible installation, accommodating minor wall imperfections and offering left or right entry. If you're looking for a stylish upgrade that's relatively straightforward to install on a standard tub, this is a great choice. What people say. Installed perfectly on an old steel bathtub. Looks good. Zero issues after a year. Was exactly as described, very sturdy, with a little knowledge, easy to install, shipped fast. Easy install. Looks great. Solid product. Number 4. Matte Black Semi-Frameless Bypass Sliding Shower Door. Elevate your bathroom with this sleek, modern shower door. Its corrosion-resistant matte black finish offers a sophisticated look that lasts. Enjoy a generous 58-inch height and a 28-inch walk-in clearance. This door is designed to fit most bathtubs between 56 and 60 inches wide. The clear tempered glass is treated with a special coating. This makes it resistant to stains and buildup, ensuring it stays sparkling clean with minimal effort. Rest assured with ANSI Z97.1 and SGCC certified 1/4-inch thick tempered glass. It's built for safety and long-lasting durability. Our innovative waterproof design features a built-in anti-leak threshold. This effectively keeps your bathroom floor clean and dry. This shower door offers versatile installation options. It can be set up for left or right sliding, adapting to your bathroom's layout. For optimal safety and the best possible results, professional installation is recommended. Ensure a perfect fit and function. What we like. This option boasts a sleek, modern matte black finish that adds a touch of sophistication to any bathroom. The easy-to-clean coating and waterproof threshold are fantastic for busy households that want to minimize maintenance. If you desire a contemporary aesthetic and a shower that stays cleaner with less effort, this is the one for you. What people say. The quality of the glass is outstanding, making it both elegant and durable. The installation process was surprisingly easy, with clear instructions and all the necessary hardware included. The door slides smoothly and effortlessly, providing a seamless entry to my shower. Cleaning is a breeze. A quick wipe with glass cleaner keeps it looking brand new. The glass sheds water better than the one we had installed in another home for 4x the price. Take your time and measure 3x. You will really be pleased with the results. The installation was easy for any experienced DIYer to complete, and they fit perfectly on a standard tub. There have been no leaks or wobbling. I love how the clear glass makes the space look bigger and brighter, and the doors slide so smoothly. The glass is easy to clean too, just a quick wipe with basic glass cleaner and they look brand new. Number 3. Sunrosa Semi-Frameless Tub Shower Door. Elevate your bathroom with this modern, minimalist tub shower door. Its classic semi-frameless look complements any decor, offering a sleek and sophisticated upgrade. Enjoy effortless access to your bathtub with its smooth and quiet single sliding opening. It provides a seamless and convenient experience every day. Crafted with a special lacquering process, the aluminum frame is resistant to oxidation, ensuring a textured, easy-to-clean surface that lasts. Safety is paramount with its ANSI-certified 5/16-inch tempered glass. The clear glass is not only durable but also incredibly easy to maintain. Designed to fit most standard bathtubs, it offers adjustable width from 58.38 to 59.28 inches and a height of 60 inches. Please measure carefully before purchasing. We stand behind our product with a satisfaction guarantee. If you encounter any issues or have questions, please don't hesitate to reach out for prompt assistance. What we like. Featuring a beautiful brushed gold finish, this door brings an elegant and modern touch to your bathroom. Its smooth, quiet single sliding mechanism offers a seamless experience, and the special lacquering process on the aluminum frame makes it easy to maintain. If you appreciate a touch of luxury and a quiet, effortless operation, this is an excellent selection. What people say. The door is easy to install and adjust. It looks great and is very sturdy. The glass is thick and feels high quality. Number 2. SIEPUNK Folding Glass Shower Doors. This shower door helps keep your bathroom dry and tidy. Its foldable design allows it to be neatly tucked away against the wall when not in use, saving valuable space. Crafted from thick, certified tempered glass, this shower door offers excellent safety and durability. It also features a special nano coating that resists water spots and is easy to clean. Measuring 36 inches wide by 55 inches high, this door features a sleek, frameless design in a classic chrome finish. Hidden screws ensure a clean, modern look that complements any bathroom style. Built with high-quality aluminum alloy and zinc alloy components, this shower door is strong, rust-resistant, and corrosion-proof. The thoughtful design includes a lifting mechanism to protect the bottom seal. Please review the manual carefully before installation. Professional installation is recommended for best results. If you have any questions, our customer service team is ready to assist you within 24 hours. What we like. This door is a game changer for smaller bathrooms, thanks to its innovative foldable design that saves valuable space when not in use. The frameless appearance offers a clean, modern aesthetic, and the durable construction ensures longevity. If you're struggling with limited bathroom space or simply love a minimalist, functional design, this foldable door is an ideal solution. What people say. The door looks super nice and is very practical. The fact that you can fold it all the way to the wall allows more room to clean the tub and shower. It was pretty easy to install. In about 1 hour we had the whole setup nice and completed. This shower saved me dollars. I needed a shower door with a radius. Local glass company wanted just for the door installation would have been extra. I was so excited to find a door we could install ourselves. Number 1. Goodyo Bathtub Screen Panel Pivot Swing Shower Door. Introducing the Goodyo Bathtub Screen Panel Pivot Swing Shower Door. This elegant addition enhances your bathroom with its sleek design and functional features. Experience unparalleled convenience with its 180-degree pivot swing. This allows for easy entry and exit, making your shower experience more comfortable. Crafted with 1/4-inch thick tempered glass, it offers durability and a modern aesthetic. The high-quality material ensures safety and longevity. Built with a robust pivot hinge, it has undergone extensive testing for smooth and quiet operation. Enjoy a seamless experience every time you use it. Featuring a certificated aluminum hinge and a vinyl door seal, this shower door is designed for lasting performance. It combines style with practical functionality. We are confident in our product's quality. It comes with a 1-year warranty, a 30-day return policy, and free replacement for any shipping damage. What we like. This pivot swing door offers exceptional flexibility with its 180 degrees pivot hinge, allowing for easy entry and a smooth, quiet operation. Its compact size makes it suitable for smaller alcoves or bathrooms where a sliding door might not be ideal. If you prioritize ease of movement and a clean, minimalist design in a more compact shower space, this pivot door is a fantastic option. What people say. The combination of the tempered glass and the black accents gives it a modern and clean appearance. The glass itself is sufficiently thick to give the impression of being long-lasting. It swings easily, which makes it quite simple to get in and out of the bathtub without feeling confined in any way. The glass panel makes the space feel brighter and more open compared to a traditional shower curtain. The 180 degrees pivot capability of the door is a great feature, allowing it to swing in either direction. This flexibility is particularly beneficial in a small bathroom, as you can close the door inward when not in use to maximize space. This is high-quality glass. When you receive it, you will feel how heavy it is. It elevates the space. The plastic curtains always create mold, and this glass will avoid having to replace it. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.